Alright guys, so Filofi Adventures here. We're heading home from an awesome adventure, guys. My mash up, my tear up, was to fight me up, everything, but it was awesome. We're catching dinner. Today we're gonna be camping and we're trying to find a spot suitable to set up camp at the moment. The road is pretty bad. We're gonna see ahead of a nice stream over this side. Probably can camp here. And right here is a nice stream. It's a good little stream here. But where we want to get to is all the way, way around, and it goes all the way and the road gets really bad. Alright guys, so we're just gonna go up a little bit more to see.
You good? No, you're not good.
You drink out already. You have to find coconut tree and pick your own coconut. We're coming to the wilderness to survive, and survive we shall. Oh, there is one. People catch breadfruit? Why? I didn't want to catch that. You can drop it on my head.
On your head.
Poof. Hey, nature just providing, you know. I hear breadfruit just dropping. Guys, look at this. We just spent forever trying to pick some breadfruit, right? Now let's sweat. Alright? Come look here. Ah! We love hard life. Look here. Wow. Wow. I feel like something just stung me. And I just got stung. Definitely a wasp. I guess that breadfruit was not so easy after all.
Oh, you're lucky and bite through your clothes.
So far, we found a coconut jelly. What are you trying? Alright guys, so we're gonna try and catch some crayfish with our bare hands because I forget the pole spear that we're gonna use for the shrimps that we just fought. See if it's gonna work.
That will work.
Don't wake them up. Don't wake him. Crab?
Crab?
To eat?
No, no. You must have climbed the tree. What? Eel?
I see eel.
Eel.
It's kind of cool. It's clean.
Yeah, look at it.
Water feel nice here? Oh my gosh. You want the gloves? Give me that water. Give me that water. Give me that water. Run and cry. No. We're looking for crayfish and we bucked up on this giant crab unexpectedly. Oh my gosh, giant land crab. We're catching dinner so we can survive. Woohoo! Yeah, eating tonight?
Probably tomorrow. I'll get one. I'm small.
Touch him?
Yeah, touch him.
Next. Yo!
Start touching.
She's on like a second fork.
One fork accident. Accident.
Alright. What we've been doing is walking upstream so we don't cloudy mess up the water. So we're just walking upstream and see any crayfish, and we got that amazing unexpected crab. Delicious. Alright, so we saw these big crawfish, but they're spawning, so we didn't bother to trouble them.
Yeah, man, you can't pinch her.
You're pinching me.
You're pinching me too.
Ow!
Come, let me go and pinch her now, man.
Ah! Why?
Put him down. Yeah, let me go. Pinch Sophie.
Oh, I'm too small.
I'm
Gonna let him go. Sea crab. They're delicious, but alright, bye guys. So we just got out of the water. It's cold. Huge crayfish. We saw 3 of them, but we didn't bother taking them because they're spawning, and unlike the other episode that we did, these are the native crayfish, so they're not the invasive ones. Oh man, I'm something about hot. I said I was gonna name this video Catching Survival or something, I don't know. Catching what we eat, but here I'm eating baked bean and sausage, so that can't work again. Alright, rain is coming, the storm is coming. Hurry up and put on the cover because it's about to rain. Big thunderstorm. It's just gonna blow past. The lightning them get too close. You abort mission. We run out of the tent. Listen, I am not sitting in that tent with all those metal yeah. Aluminum?
Carbon.
Oh well, we can go back in there, but you hear that? The ground is vibrating right now, so I'm on the green tree. So if lightning do strike, we're grounded in this. Lightning strikes getting really close, and as soon as you hear the strikes, the thunder. So that means it's really close. Well guys, it is raining cats and dogs right now.
So after a while we head back in the tent to record tonight.
It is 5:30, so we're gonna do a little hike up. It is raining, it is really wet and slippery and muddy. You're gonna have to wear a water boot, and a big thunderstorm and everything going last night, and it coming again by 12. So we're thinking to just put the trap all in and still do our cooking. To the hike in the storm, and this is my weapon of choice.
That?
Yeah.
Where do you do that?
I don't know. So we're going uphill now, and it gets pretty slippery, so I don't want to know what it's like going downhill. This is where we drove up in the last video. I know it's getting worse because of the storm the other day, so we had to walk. And over here is a ditch. How long we've been walking now? Maybe 15 minutes? Alright, we made it. Take a selfie. I'm not in Cusco, I'm in Jamaica. Hi. My shoes full of water, I guess that's why it's called water boots. So this. Alright, we're here. It is not as dirty. Whoa! Mother Nature has provided natural stairway out of the river. So cool. This is so nice. All the way up. And we're gonna head back before the storm starts. Ooh, slippery. Almost back, not quite. Alright, so we each ride back down on the tractor. He was just clearing up, doing some road work. We are here. Like, where's the crab? Oh, still there. You know how you can test it for my life?
Yeah,
just put your hand in it.
Come out.
Very easy. And this is late breakfast. Just doing a quick breakfast cook up. This smells so good. I am one egg less though because I broke the egg in the car, as always. Ooh, finally we're having food. We're trying to make shelter. So we're going to put the fish. Alright guys, here is the deal. Halfway through these videos I go very silent because I am not naturally a talkative person, and I am more in tune with just the sound of the river, the rustling of the trees, the sunlight glaring, and just stuff like that. So I'm just gonna do a little voiceover here and there. This is a bottle of season that I just combined all the different spices together, and a quarter fish as deep as possible to get all the seasoning in. And this is one of the permit jab that I caught from shore line fishing. We're gonna cook this now. Alright. This is the setup, so rain just falling off. Yes. So we're trying to start the fire, but because everything is so wet, it's taking a little bit longer. Alright. Getting some sticks. trying to dry it out with the gas. It smells so good. And there's coffee. I'm trying to figure out how the fire is going. Trying to figure out how we're gonna put this fish on. It's huge. And it's on. Guys, looking good because it's so much mud. Trying to get rid of all the mess here. And it's blazing up. I think it's burning. So guys, because the skin of this fish is so tough, it's not burning. So that is a good thing. Now this mud. Don't show my foot. I said don't show my foot. You know how much time I'm going like pig. That's how I was gonna use my hand because come close for it.
Don't eat the skin part, you know.
Why? It's probably the nicest part. I think it's good. It's actually juicy.
It's actually what?
Juicy. You could use it with some sauce though. Guys, thank you so much for spending the day with us, and I'll see you in the next one.